Hello again, viewers. Guess what I'm having for my tea tonight? Guess what I'm having? Battered chicken nuggets. Yes, Morrisons. Bottle of Morrisons. Morrisons battered chicken nuggets with a design. This is a design of in the front of battered chicken nuggets. On the design, it has beans, gravy with tomato and leaves. Leaves with tomatoes in chicken nuggets. So it's made with, so on the design, so chicken nuggets are made with a 100% chicken breast. Yep. And the back of chicken nuggets on these good nuggets. Right, so guys, I went shopping at I went to food shopping at Morrisons. I bought some chicken nuggets. I bought some battered chicken nuggets. I bought it for £2. £2. Yes, that's good. Good on deals and bargain. That's a bargain. Yeah, that's a good bargain on £2 chicken nuggets. £2 Morrisons battered chicken nuggets. So I'm going to pause it for a minute. That's me ready. Open my window. Turn the fryer on. Oil fryer, it's called. Right. We put some pieces of chicken nuggets. This is a chicken nugget. More nuggets. Yes, fresh ones. So I went shopping and I bought some chicken nuggets. Right, I'm going to put nuggets in the fryer now. Right, so when chicken nuggets are done, that's empty. When it's empty, put it in the bin. Guys, please thumbs up, like and subscribe and follow me on YouTube. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching. And see you in the next video of taste test of Morrisons chicken nuggets. Morrisons chicken nuggets taste test. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching in the next video. Goodbye.